Ano ang matatanggap niya? Sabi niya, una, magiging anak siya ng ama. Kaya sa simbahan merong brothers and sisters. Why? Because all of us, all of the baptized, are children of God. And because we are all children of God, we have this dignity. Dignidad bilang mga anak ng Diyos. Kaya dapat igalang ang bawat isa.
All my life, the world may rearrange, and the colors they may change. Oh, I'm gonna stay right by your side. I'm gonna live to make you smile. The rivers they may run, and the changes they may come. Oh,
Tubig na sumisimbolo sa Espiritu Santo na ibubuhos sa mga bata ngayon. Oil, ibig sabihin anointing. Ang mga ina-announce noon ay ang mga hari at mga pari. Yung ina-announce ng mga propeta. Ibig sabihin, all of us are now having the dignity of Christ. Candle, ibig sabihin itong ilaw, nawa ang ilaw na yan ay manatiling maglalabad-lab ang inyong pananampalataya hanggang sa pagdating ni Jesus. At ang white garment, which is sign of our purity and dignity as children of God. Therefore, all of us are created good, and all of us are called to live a holy life.
whenever you start to feel like running, and you forget just who you are, keep all of these words close to your heart. I'm gonna love you all my life. I'm gonna love you all my life.
To our Virgin Mary, sa aming unika iha, kami ay nagpapasalamat sa pagdating mo sa aming buhay. Kami ay sobrang saya ng mami at daddy mo. Maging mabait kang bata sa paglaki mo at andito lang kami para sa iyo. Gagabayan ka palagi ng Panginoon. Mahal na mahal ka namin, Virgin Mary.
I'm seeing everything. You make me wanna celebrate, 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 celebrate tonight.
Happy birthday, Mary!
Like a picture that I've painted in my wildest dreams, came to life in every feeling that you gave to me. Found a story that we saw. Every moment is a song. I'm hearing everything. You make me wanna celebrate, 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 celebrate tonight. Celebrate tonight. Celebrate.
Sa aming nag-iisang babaeng anak, ayun, kay Virgin Mary, thank you so much na dumating ka sa buhay namin. Alam mo, isa ka sa kumumpleto para magkaroon kami ng isang masaya at kumpletong pamilya. Hoping na sana paglaki mo, maging mabait kang bata, masunurin, at mapagmahal sa magulang. Wini-wish ko lang na sana lahat ng pangarap mo in the future, makuha mo.
You make me wanna celebrate, celebrate, celebrate.